What I'm about to show you is going to be the same thing that helped Priscilla make her first $100 online.
And on complete autopilot, like I kid you not, I'm on a vacation on a cruise with no internet with my family. I get back to Wi-Fi and on complete autopilot made my first $100 commission within the first few days of me setting it up. Thanks, Eric.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, niggas choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat. All my dogs peace.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, the Wolf of Marketing. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, if you like making money online, go ahead and hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell to get notified every time I drop some new heat. And in this video specifically, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online with no investment. $0 needed to actually do this skill set. So whether you're broke, whether you've hit a hard time, so on and so forth, this is a video for you. Now, what I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to do is how to tap into a $1 billion market. You don't have to create your own product. You don't have to do any selling. Somebody else is gonna do all the selling for you. This is something super simple that anybody can do, especially if you're a beginner, right? Now, what I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do is how to do affiliate marketing. Not just how to do affiliate marketing, but let's actually step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you guys are looking here, you're currently looking at ClickFunnels.com. Now, what ClickFunnels.com is a platform. It's actually over $100 million company, right? It's a $100 million company created by somebody named Russell Brunson. And Russell Brunson is basically one of the most genius internet marketers ever on the planet, right? Now, basically, it's a sales funnel software where you can actually basically build web pages, so on and so forth. But what a lot of people don't know about is that the way they've actually grown extremely fast to over $100 million company is their affiliate program. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply when you're promoting other people's products. They did all the heavy lifting, and when a sale is made, you get paid a commission. So let's actually take a look at their affiliate program. Now, if we take a look here, guys, this method that I'm gonna give you guys access to, $93 today, $30 yesterday, $143 the day before that, $59, $45. So we're making some consistent income. Total payout so far is $17,000. Now, basically, what most people think of when they think about the ClickFunnels and the software and becoming an affiliate of ClickFunnels is they think they actually have to create their, or not create, but promote their sales funnel software. In all actuality, they have an affiliate program that allows you to promote their products, but they actually have like over 10 different affiliate products, right? So they're products that solve different problems, and these products that you're solving problems, right? You can actually step behind these products that will eventually introduce people into ClickFunnels, but they actually make pretty good money when it comes to these affiliate products that you can promote. Now, just to show you guys some of the affiliate products, there's 10X Secrets, 30-Day Summit, Affiliate Bootcamp. There's other ones over here, ExpertSecrets.com Secrets, Freelancer Secrets, Funnel Hackers Cookbook, Network Marketing Secrets, so on and so forth, right? They have a ridiculous amount of affiliate offers that you can actually promote as an affiliate. But the one that I want to go ahead and actually talk about in this specific video is called the 30-Day Summit. Now, if we go ahead and actually become an affiliate and click the Get Affiliate Tools, what's going to go ahead and actually come up is the 30-Day Summit, right? It's going to go ahead and explain to you what that is. Now, just to show you while this is loading, Russell in this video right here is basically going to go ahead and actually explain to you what this actual product is. But just to show you guys really quick, your potential earnings is $100 for every person who enrolls in the One Funnel Away Challenge after registering for the free 30-Day Summit. Now, just to show you guys, I haven't even been promoting this for a day yet, and I already made $100 in total commissions, right? So guys, this works, right? $100 paid out. And the thing about it is, guys, super simple, not too much work needed to be done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys actually how to promote this product in a second, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and actually get your affiliate link. But before you actually even get your affiliate link, what is the 30-Day Summit, right? So let me actually just grab access to this link. So for those of you who aren't really too familiar with ClickFunnels and their culture and the products that they've done and what they've achieved as a company, as stated before, the company itself is worth hundreds of millions of dollars, but what they actually specialize in is selling information products, basically products that teach people how to do specific things. Now, what this specific product is a product where they have people who is a part of their 2 Comma Club, and the 2 Comma Club is basically where you make over $1 million from a single funnel. The 2 Comma Club, to where they actually have people, if you look at the headline here, you suddenly lose everything. What will you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? Now they have over 30 different people, right? If we scroll down a little bit, they have over 30 different people who have won this award, where they're actually going to be breaking down step by step what they have done from day 1 to day 30, or what they would do all over again to get to that 2 Comma Club. Meaning they're reverse engineering what they did to make over $1 million online. So imagine getting the information from people who have made $1 million, but they're in your shoes too. Meaning, let's just say you're broke, you're dead broke. If they lost everything, what would they do? If they were in your shoes, if they were from ground zero, what would these people do to go from 0 to $1 million online? So they're literally teaching you step by step what they would do from scratch to actually build that, right? So that's what the program is. And then there's a couple of other bonuses, right? But instead of you kind of finding different products on there that doesn't convert, or you trying to create your own product, what you can do is you can actually leverage this sales presentation created by a 9-figure marketer, somebody who's made over $100 million online with this company. Don't you think this is going to go to convert and actually work and get people to actually convert? Now, first and foremost, for those who actually want access to the 30-day summit, yes, it's my affiliate link, but if you guys want access to this product, this is an amazing freaking product, right? These are millionaires reverse engineering what they did to actually get to $1 million. Now, if you guys click the button down below, or click the link down below, you guys can grab access to the 30-day summit. Now, another thing is that if you guys want to actually promote this, you're going to need to be a ClickFunnels affiliate, and to become a ClickFunnels affiliate, you actually have to be a ClickFunnels member. So with that being said, you click that link down below, you grab access to this, it'll probably give you the opportunity to become a ClickFunnels member as well. But basically, the question is, okay, once we get access to this affiliate link, the first thing that we're going to want to go ahead and do, right, is once we get access to this affiliate link, we're going to go ahead and first and foremost want to create a shorter link, right? So I'll say 30-day summit secrets, right? So just making it a more attractive link. And then this is what I'm going to go ahead and actually promote as my affiliate link. Now, for time's sake, just to show you, it brings you back to the same exact website, but I'm not going to wait for it to load up again because my internet is going a little bit slow. But that's the first thing. We're going to go to need to get our unique affiliate link. Now, how are we going to go and actually want to promote this product? One way is if, let's just say, people on your social media platform are actually interested in making money online, or they're interested in entrepreneurship, or they'd love to see how people went from 0 to $1 million, or how they do that. One thing is you could leverage your social media platform. So an example could be my Facebook, right? So one thing that I would write is something like this: if you had to start all over again to go from 0 to $1 million, what would you do? And I'd say something like, well, here's what they did. Boom. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and actually post my link to the 30-day summit secrets. So for example, it says you suddenly lose everything, 30 days. What will you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? So I could write, if you had to start all over again to go from 0 to $1 million, what would you? Well, here's what they did. And then I'd have my link. That's one example, right? Another example that you could use to promote this product could be what I do, right? Is I leverage YouTube, right? So an example could be actually creating content showing people this product. So for example, let's just say you click the link down below, you decide to actually make a purchase, you went through the content, it's amazing, right? After you go through that content, you can actually just give an opinion or give a review on this actual product. So for an example, let me see one that actually has a substantial amount of views. This one right here, Billy Aiken, he has 4,000 views. It says Inside Look at the ClickFunnels 30-Day Summit by Russell Brunson. So 4.6 thousand views. Remember guys, each sale you generate, you get paid $100 per sale. So let's just say even from this one video that took him 30 minutes of his time, he got 10% of the people or 1% of the people to actually buy, right? So if he got 0.01 times 4,600 people. So if only 1% of the people bought, 46 people times 100, that's $4,600. Literally in 30 minutes worth of work, making $4,600. Guys, that's crazy. That shows you how powerful this is. If you promote this product and you just do a review like Billy did, and he ranks that video and 4,600 people do it and they actually make a purchase, 1% of those people make a purchase, that's $4,600 with 30 minutes worth of work. That's freaking crazy. So with that being said, basically what you would do, right, is you'd leverage somebody else's product, right? And these people who you're actually leveraging their product, they're millionaire marketers. So obviously it's gonna go and convert, obviously it's gonna go and work. Then you just need to figure out how to promote it. As I said before, you can leverage social media, or you can go ahead and leverage something like YouTube, which I do fairly well. And I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars online with my YouTube account. So you guys can do the same thing to actually promote this product. And if you're worried about not having a following, it's okay. You don't have to go ahead and have a large following. You can literally go ahead and go on YouTube and create content around the actual keywords, which is 30-Day Summit. So when people are actually searching for this product before they make a purchase, they'll come across your content, they'll come across your video. Once they come across your video, they'll actually make a purchase. Once they make a purchase, you'll get paid a commission. Super simple, anybody can do this. So with that being said, guys, if you guys want access or more information on that challenge, yes, it is my affiliate link, but if you guys want more information, you guys can go ahead and actually click the link down below. As stated before, if you guys want more videos like this in the future, go ahead and hit the subscribers button and hit that notifications bell to join the family. And every time I drop some new heat, go ahead and grab access to that. And if you guys want to go ahead and learn more make money online secrets, right? You guys can actually watch this video right here and take a look at another way to actually make money online today with little to no investment. So click this right here, or click down below if you guys want to get access to the 30-Day Summit. Click right here if you guys want to go ahead and watch the next video. As always, until next time, click right here.